Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. It's 80s kitchen, and on today's video we are going to be making tomato stew. Please, I'll be using the following ingredient. Please watch the video to the end and leave a message for me in the comment section if there are new ingredients you want me to add to my recipe, or there are other things that need to learn, because on this thing called cooking we learn every day. Please subscribe to my channel and let it grow. Thank you so much. Guys, for my tomato stew I'll be needing chicken, I'll be needing crayfish, white pepper, salt, yellow and red pepper, garlic, ginger, jansa as it's traditionally called in Cameroon. I'll be using seasoning cube, I'll be using green spices, tomatoes. I've just given 2 samples of tomatoes. For us, you'll see the rest of the tomatoes when I want to prepare everything. This is just a sample of the things I'll be needing. I'll be needing onions. I'll be needing, this is leeks. This is leeks. I'll be needing leeks. These are the leaves of the leeks. These are the leaves. I'll be using all together. All these I will mix it and blend it at the same time in order to reduce work. Guys, enjoy this video. If you have more ingredients that I need to add to my tomato stew to make it, or tomato sauce to make it the best, leave the message for me in the box so that I can relate with you and improve on the next one. Thank you so much. Guys, I equally forgot I'll be using smoked fish because my husband likes it. So I'll be seasoning this chicken with white pepper, salt, leeks and onion. That's just what I'm going to do, plus seasoning cube. That's all I'll be using for this chicken. Guys, I'll be adding my salt. Adding salt. After salt, I'll add my white pepper. Then I will add my chopped onion and leeks. From there, I'm going to add water to cook with. You can still add ginger, garlic. You can blend it all together and season your chicken with, but because I don't have time, I decided to go with just this. But it's still going to be very nice. See my seasoning cube. And I will add the water. Add my water to allow it to cook. Guys, as the chicken is getting ready, I'm washing my tomatoes and all the other spices in order to blend them. So I'm going to cut everything into small slices, put it in the blender and blend it. So after everything is set, I'm going to blend it right now. You can see, and this is the result of the blending. I'll now heat my oil in order for me to start frying the chicken. So the oil is getting hot in order for me to start frying the chicken. As you can see, this is the process of frying the chicken. After frying the chicken, before I'll now start cooking the stew. It's after I must have finished frying that I will have to start cooking the stew, and you know that it takes a lot of time for it to get ready very well. I decided to fry my chicken very well to turn brown before I remove it. As you can see, that's what I did. Now I'm going to pour the stew inside the hot oil. Then I'll allow it to cook for some time. Before I allow it to cook, I'm going to add crayfish. I'm going to add my stock fish, my smoked fish. I'm going to add seasoning cube and salt. Then white pepper. I just want to add these few spices since I did not blend it with the others. Then I'll allow it to cook very well. Guys, as it cooks, I make sure I check it from time to time, making sure that everything is well mixed, making sure that as it dries I add a bit of chicken stock. If you notice, in some few minutes ago I added the chicken stock already. That's how I'll be adding in order to have the texture I want for my tomato stew. So that's what I've been doing. Then I'll allow the stew to cook very well. After some few minutes I will open it, then check and add my chicken to the stew because it's almost ready. You can see for yourself the oil is becoming oily and it looks good already. So when I'll add it, that will be all. I'll just allow it for some few minutes, then the food is ready. Guys, we know it's ready when you start seeing that oil all over the stew. You can now know that the food is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that each time I post a video you'll be notified. I made rice to accompany the stew.